Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to membership websites. So you can now verify businesses by membership level. Let me just show you what I mean. See if you go to your admin end, we'll go into finance and then membership plans. We're going to go down to a membership plan. So we'll choose membership plan one just because there's five demo users in there. We're going to edit that. And then we're going to go to the dashboard tab and we're going to scroll right to the very bottom. And you'll see there's now a setting here for verifying a listing. Now, I think by default, this is set to no. So you might want to check this, but it's a great way for you to verify professionals that are joining your site. So if you're going to do a website in respect of therapists or doctors or lawyers, then you might want them to go through a verification process. So you can verify this list and you set it to yes. Let's just go and log in as one of these five demos. So we're just going to click on the number five. That's going to take us to the results for the five that are members. And then we're going to just log in. So we'll log in as sample member three. And when you come to this section here now, because we've selected that button, because it's set to yes, you've got this option here. Now, I would probably do some editing in this widget just to really highlight that that's there. So verify your listing. When you click on it, it will take you to a section where you can verify, where you could the user or the professional needs to add some information. Now, all of this text up here is editable. If you use the sidebar and click on the speech bubbles, you'll see that it all is highlighted yellow, and that means the text label is editable. And you can just click on each section and edit the text that's there. Which is really useful for this section here, because if you're completing this section here, there might be certain documents that you want to see, maybe specific documents, so you can list them here. If for any reason you don't want four documents or four things listed here, then you can just delete the text label and it should take that away and just leave you with three or two or whatever. You can also edit the form. So I'm now going to click on this search plus button just in the mini nav just on the sides. And when we scroll down, we can see that there's a form called listing verify account. So you can edit this form as well in Toolbox Form Manager, and you can add upload fields to this form. So you can collect copies of documents or whatever that you require on this form and make it a bit more precise in terms of what you're asking for above the form as well. So it's a really, really useful tool to verify your members. I do tend to add this to the additional details tab because I find this form is missed. But what you can do, if you think that people are missing that link, is you can add a button on your dashboard area, and then you can set up the URL to link on that button so that it's nice and clear that they need to complete the form and verify themselves. So there are additional things that you can do just to highlight that. I hope you found that video useful and thanks for watching.